This video is a quick review of order of operation. Order of operation is the order that you use when solving a numerical expression. A numerical expression consists of operations and numbers. And you can evaluate it by using this order: parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And even though they didn't tell you when you were younger in school, really multiplication and division count as the same thing, and addition and subtraction count as the same thing. An easy way to remember this order is "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So when you're following PEMDAS, and here it is on the side, when you're following this order of operation, because multiplication and division are really like the same thing, when you've already finished your P and your E, parentheses and exponent, and you just have multiply and divide and before that and subtract, you're going to go from left to right. And if you've finished all the multiplication and division and all you have left is to add or subtract, you don't do all the addition first. You actually go from left to right and follow the addition and subtraction from that direction. So let's go through and do an example. Here's a problem. It says 7 plus 16 divided by 4 times 2. It may help you to actually write PEMDAS down the side and then use a pen to mark off as you go along the problem as you're doing it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So the first one we would do, is there any parentheses? Nothing, no parentheses. Any exponent? No exponents. Multiplication, there is, but there's also division, and because there's multiplication and division, we're going to go from left to right. So the first one we're going to do is this one right here, the 16 divided by 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. Underline the step you're going to do, then rewrite everything else right below it. We did the division. Now we'll do the multiplication. 4 times 2 is 8, and 7 plus 8 is 15. If you didn't follow that order, it's likely that you could possibly get a different answer, especially if you have a subtraction sign in the middle here. It could really mess you up. Let's look at another example. Oh, actually, one more thing to remind you. Only do one step at a time, then underline each one that you're going to change as you go along. Example number 2. Do we have any parentheses to work on here? We do. So we're going to do that one first. 21 plus 7 is 28, divided by 4 plus 3. Any exponents? Nope. So we're done with that. Multiplication? Nope. That one's checked off. So we'll do the division. 28 divided by 4 is 7, and 7 plus 3 is 10. So all done there. Here's our answer of 10. All right, next problem. Any parentheses? Nope. Exponent? Nope. Multiplication? Yes. Now, you might want to try to divide first, like going left to right, but really because these 9 times 6 are on the top and 2 times 3 are on the bottom, it's kind of like there is a separation or parentheses. We're going to do the top first. 9 times 6 is 54. The bottom, 2 times 3 is 6. And then we're going to divide, and we're going to get our answer of 9. So I hope this review of PEMDAS will help you along the way and you'll be successful in your order of operations problems.